This is what you'll be doing this time. I've called it the 8 LEDs, and it's a simulation where the lights light up from left to right. Here's an example. I'm going to make a duplicate of this because I'm going to redo it from scratch for you guys. What I'm going to do is go to the dashboard. There's my project here. I will duplicate and call it BRE LEDs B. For the sake of time, I've only taken 2 LEDs out and I will wire them. Obviously, these are all wired the same way. So let's do pin number 6 and 7. Those are the ones that I took out. You are responsible to do all the other ones. So let me do a wire for 6. I would just go like that. You could do the curved look by going like this. You click once, and then you click again, and it gives you that angular or curved look. Sometimes it goes like this. I think you have to do it a certain way to get it to do that. The last one was blue. So let's see what comes after blue. Purple. I'm going to put a resistor. Put an LED. Put a ground wire. It's going to be black. Do the whole thing over again. Let's do number 7. Hold it down. Let go of the mouse and bring it here. This time I got the curved look, which I prefer. What comes after purple? Let's have a look. Pink. Grab a resistor. Grab an LED. And the alignment is not great. Let me see if I can move it. Excellent. The wire, I think, can be problematic. Let me just try it. There you go. So I did the wire too. I'll install the ground wire. Make sure it's black because it's ground. And here's the code. You should be getting used to it now. This is the setup for the whole thing. This is 8 high, 8 low, and these are the comments. It's one comment, the 2 slashes. I made it a delay of 50 milliseconds this time. Then I took out all the other comments because it's redundant. You don't need it. A programmer knows that this would mean 50 milliseconds. So it should go much faster now. Check it out. So that's what I would like you to do. If you recall, this is a B version. So I already have my original version. So I can mess around with this and make mistakes. It's really not the end of the world. So watch this. If I choose to go back to blocks, say you feel uncomfortable with this, and you go back to blocks, you get this warning. Enabling the blocks editor will clear any code you have in the text editor. Are you sure you want to continue? If you have the other version, who cares? So I'm going to go like this, and then the blocks are back. So you lose the code that you did, and you'd have to start your programming over, or you can just use the other version that you did. I wanted to show you something. When you've got this, maybe I showed you before, but you can trash it all. and then you'd have to start over. So now if I do a simulation, nothing happens.